Koshish. It is the 28th annual day of daffodils. Yuppie! चलो जश्न बनाएं। कोकिस क्योंकि हमेशा काम में आ जाती है। नन्ही क्योंकि हम नन्हे नन्हे बच्चे इसे करना है एक लैप तो बनती है। ऑफिस में टाई decide to interest each other, decide to listen, not hear, heart, not heart, they love it, laughter, ha ha ha. नीचे बनाते भी देते नहीं हमारे तो बनाओ दे हमारे चला जाता लो दे फिर चलो जो नीति चला जाओ।
हाँ जी आ गई समीक्ष। Namaste. Thank you Valerie, Divisha, Avyukt and Samiksh for such a warm and loving welcome speech. Namaste dear parents, good morning. Dear parents, grandparents and guests, we warmly welcome you to Jashna, a day filled with joy, talent and cherished moments. Your presence means the world to us as we showcase the incredible growth and creativity of our little daffodilians. Let me begin with welcoming and thanking all of you to make time on a Wednesday morning to come witness our Jashna. My name is Dhwani Manchanda and I'll be your anchor for this fine morning. Let's spread it beautifully. Yes, parents? Nanhi Koshish. It's a beautiful theme, isn't it? हमारी कोशिश, आपकी कोशिश, हमारे बच्चों की कोशिश। कामयाबी पाने के लिए कोशिश हमेशा बरकरार रहनी चाहिए। सिर्फ कोशिश ही है जो कामयाबी ला सकती है ना? तो चलो फिर इस जश्न का स्लोगन लर्न करें। For a recap, let me see how many of you remember last year's slogan. Ready? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one earth, one family, one future. Lovely. And 1 year before that, Atulya Bharat. Bharat ke hum, amazing. I love this relationship we have. I keep teaching you slogans and you keep delivering with the best of your enthusiasm. So, coming to this year's slogan. My podium is decorated with the slogan for your reference. The slogan is, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Loudly parents, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Super, even louder, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. That was superb. Thank you for being so awesome. Now, on that note, let's begin this beautiful day with Deep Prajwalan, the lamp lighting ceremony with some of our teachers and the grandparents of Aritrika De, Adya Haldar, Mishka Parab, kids from senior KG. Having grandparents on the stage to bless our event always has a special place in our hearts. Thank you so much for always being ever loving and supportive, dear grandparents.
दीप ज्योति परम ज्योति, दीप ज्योति परम ज्योति, दीप ज्योति जनार्दनः, दीपो हरतु मे पापम्, दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते, दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते, दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। हम करें तेरी वंदना, हम करें तेरी वंदना, मन से तुझे देखेंगे हम, पूजेंगे हम यूं ही सदा, मन से तुझे देखेंगे हम, पूजेंगे हम यूं ही सदा। हम करें तेरी वंदना, हम करें तेरी वंदना, तूने हमें जीवन दिया, तेरी दया, तेरी दया, तूने हमें भोजन दिया, कुछ भी नहीं हमसे लिया, हर दिन करे नमन तेरे सम्मान में, हम करें तेरी वंदना, हम करें तेरी वंदना, हम सब करें मिलके दुआ, तेरे रहे तेरे लिए, तेरी शरण तेरी चरण सबसे बड़े मेरे लिए, दर्शन करे तेरे तेरे वरदान से, हम करें तेरी वंदना, हम करें तेरी वंदना, मन से तुझे देखेंगे हम, पूजेंगे हम यूं ही सदा, मन से तुझे देखेंगे हम, पूजेंगे हम यूं ही सदा, हम करें तेरी वंदना, हम करें तेरी वंदना, हम करें तेरी वंदना।
Having grandparents on stage is a matter of great honor to us. Having their blessings with us throughout the program brightens our day and sends a positive aura across the auditorium. We are grateful for having you all on the stage today. Witnessing the lamp being lit may it inspire us all. The flame's upward movement, defying gravity, stands as a symbol for our quest of knowledge, upliftment, and the resolve to rise above all challenges. It stands as a testament to the power of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance. And that beautiful song was sung by our teachers, Sharmi, Anushri, Sumana, and Mamta teachers. Thank you so much, dear teachers. On that positive note, it's time to have the invocation dance for our 20th annual day. Let's begin this beautiful morning with a dance full of energy and grace. Our senior most daffodilians from Senior KG are here to invoke the blessings of Lord Shiva, the powerful yet kind dancer of the universe. With lively steps, Joyful spirits, they are ready to mesmerize us with their wonderful performance. So, sit back, smile, and get ready to witness a dance as vibrant as Shiva's cosmic rhythm. This dance will be performed by Yash, Jimit, Advait, Divit, Mivan, Yuvan, Prithvik, Reyansh, Daksh, Dhyan, Rishank, Adit, Dait, Viraj, Lashya, Shrisha, Meher, Kimaya, Vihana, Adya Haldar, and Nehmat. Parents, are we ready? Yes! Are we ready? Yes! Senior KG babies, are we ready?
शंभु गिरीश यज्ञमय ईश माथे रजनीश भस्म तन सारा नेत्र विशाल उग्र विकराल रुद्र महाकाल रूप ओंकार शंभु गिरीश यज्ञमय ईश माथे रजनीश भस्म तन सारा नेत्र विशाल उग्र विकराल रुद्र महाकाल रूप ओंकार माने शंकर अविनाशी आशुतोष घट घट के वासी नीलकंठ भोले भंडारी विश्वनाथ कैलाश विहारी महादेव शंकर अविनाशी आशुतोष घट घट के वासी नीलकंठ भोले भंडारी हर 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 नागेंद्र हाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मांगरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय हर 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 शंकरा 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 रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा गूंज 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 धर पकड़ गूंज गूंज पकड़ 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 शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा
नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था ये जग रहे या ना रहे रहेगी तेरी आस था क्या समय क्या प्रलय दोनों में तेरी महानता 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 सीपियों की ओट में मोतियां हो जिस तरह मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा तेरे सामने है झुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा
नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
Wasn't that just mesmerizing? Yes! So, let me call upon now a very special and important person, the Iron Lady of Daffodils. Someone whose every waking minute of every day is dedicated to this school. Someone who finds sanctity in her school office, and someone who is always there, standing behind us teachers like a rock and support to help us through these hard times. Let me call upon the Principal Director of Daffodils Preschool, Neelam Manchanda, for the Annual Report 2024-25.
I love you more. Thank you. So this was a Goosebumps event. And first time in 20 years, I went in the auditorium and I wanted to witness this. And I'm so glad I did that. Otherwise I would have missed out something just amazing. May I hear it for my little babies one more time? Before we begin, let us take a moment to remember Mr. Teli, a loving father to Abhinav and Abhimanyu Teli, who left us day before yesterday. His presence and warmth will be deeply missed, and our thoughts are with his family during this difficult time. I request everyone to observe a minute of silence in his memory. May his soul rest in peace. Om Shanti. Namaste, dear parents. Here I am for our school's annual report for the very beautiful year 2024-25. Makes me very happy to have you all walking with us as a huge one family where parents, teachers, and the school, they come together to shape up very important formative years of our babies. Thank you, Almighty, for the belief of this 335 parents in this academic year, for trusting the growth of their children in this very beautiful place where values, education, and love blends together to make up and bloom my dear daffodilians. Today, I'm going to talk about inclusion. Inclusion in our lives, in our school, in our surroundings, and in our hearts. Inclusion of growth by formatting a curriculum that supports age-appropriate growth. Right from a toddler's child beading to a senior KG child writing comprehensions. Inclusion of children in everything that happens in the class. Interactions, conversations, cleaning, helping, presenting, achieving, planning a day, taking small decisions for the class, and learning to be dependable. Inclusion of respect by teaching babies the importance of joining our hands in prayer, bowing down to greet namaste to everyone. Inclusion of respect by teaching kids to be humble while talking and dealing with anyone who is elder to them or otherwise. Inclusion of values like kindness, gratefulness, honesty, and love as a part of our curriculum taught on a daily basis to Daffodils children, making them not only primary ready, but also giving them a path to become ideal citizens and true humans. Inclusion of teachers by having meetings after meetings, bouncing off ideas with each other, and coming together to plan every single event held here at Daffodils. I wish to mention here that Daffodils is among those very few schools that is blessed with the best teachers, and I, as the leader of this team, take honor and pride in saying that. May we hear it from my dear teachers, please. Thank you. Thank you so much, dear parents. Inclusion of you all, my dear parents, including you, is an honor for us. Having you with us during celebrations outside and in the school during events like Fun with Moms, Master Chef Daddy, including mamas and papas for every possible event that we can. It's a privilege to have such an enthusiastic lot of 670 parents who are always with us every step of the way. Yesterday's videos and pictures of being Jashn Ready itself speaks about inclusion, dear parents. Grand finale will speak out loud of your inclusion in this school. Inclusion of culture by celebrating festivals and telling kids the significance of celebrating them. Inclusion of other schools, inviting other schools around us for events like Jharoka, Sports Day, the teachers of other schools coming witnessing our babies perform with all their might and helping us build positive relations as educationists. This year, Jharokha, we had 9 schools and 2 colleges visiting us and witnessing our babies talk and perform so confidently. Inclusion of trainee teachers from IWSA, Vashi, and SNDT coming to our events as part of their school tours, having interns in school to help train them to become teachers in the future. I'm elated to have their faith in us. Inclusion of the less privileged by involving MMC in our sports day, Christmas celebrations at Udan, and packing and donating toys for them to use and play with. Inclusion of our extremely hardworking Didis, including them because they absolutely deserve it, dear parents. Working from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening, helping teachers, helping babies, and also doing art, craft, and so much more. They do it out of love and pride for their jobs. Inclusion of women. Being a proud all-women employed institution, helping women feel free, wonderful, and happy in their place of work, helping them grow into strong, confident, happy individuals. Inclusion of ex-students of Daffodils, bringing them back on stage years after they have graduated, and their parents sending them with joy and fulfillment. And this is because we have included each other in our lives forever and ever. Am I right, dear parents? Yes. Inclusion of NJS as a team, nursery, junior, and senior, all coming together, making themselves feel included and be a part of something bigger than themselves. Coming together as one unit instead of different classes. You have witnessed it on Sports Day, on Jharokha. You will witness it today as well. This is facilitating interactions with higher class schoolmates and building compassion. Inclusion of earth values, teaching our babies the importance of taking care of our Mother Earth, saying no to plastic, saving electricity, saving water, using cloth bags, planting more trees, and staying green. I love the way kids talk about Go Green in junior and senior and chant slogans in nursery, which is building awareness, which is definitely the need of the hour. Inclusion of patriotism, making our babies Bharat ki jaan, helping them understand the glory of India by celebrating soldiers, celebrating patriotic days, and marching our way at the Arcadia Circle for Independence Day, Republic Day, celebrating Gandhi Jayanti in a peace walk with speeches and slogans, celebrating Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti by involving in a procession, chanting slogans with pride in their eyes and love in their heart. Inclusion of play, being a school that follows playway methodology, teaching every concept with games and laughter, babies coming to school and asking, "Aaj kaun si game khelenge?" and learning something new every day. Inclusion of HBA. I want to clap for all those parents who are actively involving themselves and their babies in HBA. What is HBA? Home-based activities, where all concepts learned are sent home as home-based learning. They do small fun tasks which are promoting a lot of learning, that is, including home and school. Inclusion of back to roots childhood, where there are more stories and less screen time, where there are simple toys, less gaming apps, where there are more interactions and less quiet time. Let's continue working for it together, my dear parents. Am I right? Yes. We all have to work together for this. Inclusion of educationists like Alka Arora, Rukmini Vijay Kumar, Shilekha Devnath ma'am, Ruta Joshi, Manjari Date, Shobha Bharat, and good influence people like Dr. Deepa Shetty and Padma Priya Vinodji. Inviting them to have talks with our parents, train our teachers, and helping us understand these formative years in new and revised ways. Inclusion of yoga, meditation, and tratak, age-old Indian methodologies, proving to be successful in this day and age as well, helping children understand their breath and meditate. Inclusion has helped our babies, teachers, and parents reach the best of their potentials. I am also proud to say that Daffodils was included in large forums this year with ESFE Awards, 15th Best Preschool in Mumbai by Times Preschool Awards. Thank you. Our teachers, Anupama teacher, Harsha teacher, and Dhwani teacher were awarded at the Rotary Club of Hiranandani Estate Teachers Appreciation Segment and being published in newspapers like HE News, Gorbanda Times, and Inspiring News more than 20 times this academic year. Thank you. Let me conclude by including gratitude. Let me bow down to all who have helped Anandita teacher and I reach where we are today. Thank you, thank you, thank you all. I cannot conclude my annual report without making a mention of our dear Vice Principal, Anupama Kulkarni teacher. Relentless efforts of Anupama teacher, right from 5th floor to 2nd floor, each and every day explains the kind of commitment she holds in heart towards the school. I request our second senior most teacher, Anushri Kulkarni, to felicitate this lovely lady with flowers and blessings. We love you, Anupama teacher. Have a wonderful celebration, have a wonderful jashn. चलो फिर जश्न मनाते हैं, साथ में मनाते हैं, क्योंकि जश्न साथ में ही मनाए जाते हैं. Let me now introduce to you our chief guest of the day, Dr. Shobha Bharat. Dr. Shobha Bharat presently contributes as an associate professor and the coordinator for Master's Program in Early Childhood Education in the Department of Human Development at S.P.N. Doshi's Women's College affiliated to SNDT Women's University. She comes with a vast experience of 34 years as a teacher educator in early childhood education and consultant in the field of human development. She has worked in a variety of early childhood settings, including university courses, Billy Moria Foundation, Inclusive Education, EuroKids International Private Limited, and Mobile Crushers. She has contributed to the designing of the courses in inclusive education and number of early childhood education programs for NGOs, distant education programs, and university programs at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. She is actively involved with the Association for Early Childhood Education and Development as the Vice President of Mumbai chapter and as an Executive Council member at national level. She has contributed to the framing of NEP, that's New Education Policy Draft 2020, passed by the Government of India as an expert for foundational years. She is one of the core team members of Equipoise, Institute for Emotional Intelligence, Research and Training. She's a contributor as a master trainer for EI and conducted training for pediatricians, psychiatrists, schools, teachers, principals, administrators, psychologists, corporate staff for the last 13 years. She has conducted many training workshops for daffodils teachers also. She has published 4 books in the areas of ECE and emotional intelligence. I bow down to you, my God. 23 master students have successfully completed their dissertations under her guidance. She has presented a number of papers at the international and national conferences. It's an honor to have you here today, Shobha Bharat ma'am. You are truly your mentor. Anupama teacher facilitating, Dr. Shobha Bharat ma'am. Harsha teacher. Thank you. Thank you for being here, Shobha ma'am. My dear parents are all yours now. Please come. Thank you. Let's have a wonderful day.
A very good morning to each one of you here, and a special wishes and congratulations to all the dignitaries on the dais, in the auditorium, parents, grandparents, teachers, and all the lovely children who are waiting to perform as soon as I finish, I think. I would like to thank Madam Neelam Manchanda, Anupama, and the Daffodil School for giving me the opportunity to witness today's grand program. At the outset itself, I would like to congratulate each one of you for the fantastic efforts in putting this wonderful show together. Seeing the first program, the first show that we saw, Invocation to Lord Shiva itself, has given me an idea of what is going to come. Today, since I've been asked to talk to the parents, I would like to share my insights on a very relevant and important concept, that is socio-emotional learning, which is the need of the hour. While For centuries, we have been focusing only on cognitive and logical reasoning, language, and memory of the children, and saying that the highest scorers are the most intelligent beings on the planet. The ones who go to IITs are the most well achieved persons on the planet. Well, the story is very different today. We all want our children to thrive. When parents, teachers, community workers, and policymakers are asked about the goals of education and upbringing, they all mention ideas such as confident and happy individuals, good neighbors, productive and responsible workers, engaged citizens. Undeniably, both children and adults must acquire the skills to improve the quality of their lives and to achieve positive outcomes. With the present state of affairs, the world needs people who are committed to creating a better global society and a more sustainable planet. Abundant research has shown that to reach these goals, we have to focus on learning social and emotional skills, which is just as important as achieving the cognitive skills. It has been well established that attaining positive outcomes and better communities are related to acquisition of positive social and emotional skills. Nobel Prize winning economist Professor James Heckman shares that important cognitive abilities alone are not enough, and they are not as powerful as the combination of cognitive skills and social skills. Schools and communities are increasingly multicultural and multilingual. Children are exposed to a more complex world through the media and have unmediated access to digital information and social contacts. Dealing effectively with all these dimensions requires a different and a new set of socio-emotional skills. Furthermore, with the automation of production and the advent of information economy, employers seek employees with different set of skills. And there is a mismatch between the skills required by the job market and what we are teaching in schools and colleges. Skills such as writing, math, science, history, geography are not the most valued skills today. Today, the marketplace is looking for people who are able to be creative, get along with others, work in group, develop greater efficiency, solve abstract problems, and collaborate. The 21st century skills are in today, because 5 years hence, we don't know what kind of jobs are going to be required, what kind of skills, and what are going to be the different professions. So the 4 21st century skills, the 4 C's: creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. These are the skills that we need to nurture in our children today. Sustainable peace and progress can be achieved in communities where citizens have developed social and emotional skills along with cognitive and academic skills. So what exactly is SEL? Socio-emotional learning in early childhood refers to the development of skills in young children that allow them to understand and manage their own emotions, build healthy relationships with others, and make responsible decisions, which include abilities like self-awareness, empathy, communication, conflict resolution, which are crucial for success in school and in life. What are the key aspects then of SEL? Self-awareness, that is recognizing and labeling one's emotions, understanding how feelings influence our behavior, and identifying personal strengths and weaknesses. Self-management, we need to manage the emotions, understand the emotions, and use them to energize our behavior in a fruitful manner, setting goals and coping with stress in healthy ways. Social awareness, understanding and empathizing with other people's perspectives, other people's emotions, delaying gratification, learning to control their impulses. Relationship skills, again, since we're talking about collaboration as one of the 21st century skills, dealing with team members, family members, and the world in general in our professional capacities becomes very important, and responsible decision making. Understanding what are our decisions and what are the consequences of those decisions is going to be very important. Why early SEL during early years? Because these are the most important years which make a huge impact. It is the window of opportunity according to the neuroscientists. Whatever you do with the children up to 8 years is going to make a profound impact on them, and it's going to stay with them for life. So therefore, we have to focus on developing these skills in the foundational years. Between the ages of 3 to 6, children make remarkable transition from impulsive, self-focused toddlers to responsible, rule-abiding and socially integrated elementary school students. During this period of rapid development, dramatic transformation occurs in children's social skills, social reasoning, emotional understanding and emotion regulation, their own self-awareness and control. Development increases the children's capacities for mental representation and language, and therefore that creates new opportunities for children to label their emotions and understand and express why they are feeling the way they do. Social development in early childhood is crucial today because it lays the foundation for healthy relationships, effective communication, self-regulation, and overall well-being, impacting the child's academic success, mental health, and the ability to navigate social situations later in life. Essentially, it teaches children how to understand and manage their emotions, interact positively with others, and make responsible citizens. Why is it important today? Not, in the last 30 years, 40 years, but last 20 years, this has been increasingly felt in society by mental health professionals, by educationists, that we need to bring this into our classroom and make it very, very important, critical part of the interactions that we have with our children today. Mental health, it positively affects the mental health because it regulates emotional regulation and helps prevent future mental health issues. Positive interactions, addressing societal challenges, promotes school success, enhances positive relationships, and builds emotional competence. So what are we as parents and other adults who are interacting and working with children on a day-to-day basis need to do? Parents provide the foundation for children to learn how to regulate their emotions and navigate social interactions. Understanding the significance of parent involvement and their responsibility can greatly impact the children's well-being. So labeling emotions, these are everyday things that we can do with our children. Labeling emotions, how many of us have an emotional vocabulary? If I were to ask you, what are you feeling right now? Would you be able to put a label to it? Bored, engaged, interested, curious. What is it that you all are feeling now? So we have to teach our children on everyday occasions and find time to interact and ask the child to express what are they feeling right now. Modeling positive behaviors, very, very important. Very often we forget the children in our setting and we are behaving as we want. We have to actually be afraid that they are watching us very, very closely, very minutely. So if you want them to be emotionally regulated, you need to be a proper role model for that. Reading books with emotions. Whenever you're reading a storybook, try to check out what are the characters and feeling, how are they feeling. There will be some plot that has happened based on that event in the story. What is it now the character is feeling? How are they emotionally regulating themselves? For example, a rabbit who doesn't share. So how is he feeling now? And when his friends don't play with him, what is he feeling? And once he has finished sharing whatever he had, and then all the friends come together and play, what is he feeling now? Okay? So very important to do that. Play-based learning. Encourage lots of cooperative play, have interactions, send them out to play, let them interact with other children, other people in the neighborhood, in the school. These are wonderful, wonderful opportunities for children to, use their emotions, regulate their emotions, recognize the impact of others' behavior on themselves, etc. Positive reinforcement. Children up to 8 years will take time and will want appreciation, approval, and acknowledgement of what they are doing, what they are feeling. So learn to acknowledge and provide positive reinforcement for emotionally regulated behavior, and try to help them manage their emotions with co-regulation when they are facing negative emotions. Very often we as parents forget to appreciate the positive behavior. But the moment the child makes a mistake, we are almost pouncing on him. It's important to nurture and notice both positive as well as negative, appreciate the positive and help him learn to regulate the negative emotions. Emotional validation, listening to, acknowledging our children's feelings. Suppose the child walks into the house and I'm bored. And say, how can you feel bored? Ye karna hai. No. Oh, looks like you're not interested in doing anything today. We need to actively listen to our children and validate their emotions, because if you don't validate their emotions, they will feel, the self-esteem will be affected and they will think that, okay, feeling negative emotions is bad, and that's not a good idea. In emotional intelligence skills today, we say emotions are neither bad or good. Every emotion is a message to us, and we need to understand that message. Setting boundaries for our children. Please set limits. What is expected, what is not expected, and you have to be consistent about it. Just because you're happy one day, you don't allow the child to do what he wants, and then next day you are upset about something and you're taking it out on the child. Many parents often deal inconsistently with the children's misbehavior or even good behavior. Okay, so we need to be consistent. And both fathers and mothers have to be in agreement, and both of them have to have the same set of rules. Because when father has a different expectation and mother different, very often the children, have start a fight between them. Lekin papa ne ye kaha tha, mummy ne ye kaha tha, and they are sitting back and watching the fun. I don't know whether you have experienced it, but it's something that all children do. Mediating digital media. Please be observant and attentive to what your children are watching on the digital media. First of all, your devices are not nannies. आपको कुछ काम है, आप digital iPad या laptop या even your mobiles देखें, you think that okay, they are engaged and you go back to working. No, we have to be very, very conscious and alert to what our children are doing on those devices. Encourage open communication. Find time. Whenever the child comes to you, find time to talk to him, listen to him attentively. Don't be judgmental, because the moment you judge something, they will clam up. You need to say, okay, let's see at least listen to the child, and when you do that and validate his feelings, there will be much more open communication, and whenever the child has a problem, he'll always run to you. Providing many, many opportunities for self-expression. Okay, so painting, dancing, music, take them to different things that are happening in the city, the exhibitions, the painting exhibitions, take them to festivals, and that will open a wide avenue of ideas for their own self-expression. You also can sit and enjoy a good evening or a Sunday afternoon by giving them lots of these opportunities, clay, paints, scrap paper, paper tearing, whatever have you. Today, many, many ways of expressing are there, and you should do those. Teaching healthy coping mechanisms. So I am angry, so what do I do? Maybe a turtle technique where the child withdraws from that situation, stays with that for some time, and then when he feels better, his emotions are less intensive, he can just come out and then talk about it. Okay? In conclusion, nurturing socio-emotional development in early childhood is like planting seeds for a flourishing garden of life skills. It is like giving our little ones the tools they need to navigate the ups and downs of the world with resilience and grace. By fostering these important skills early on, we are setting our children for success and happiness in the future. So let's keep tending to their emotional well-being and watch them bloom into confident, empathetic individuals. Thank you so much. And I saw a lot of it in the way the school is dealing with nurturing socio-emotional learning in, whether it was the activities, whether when she talked about inclusion, it really made my heart go warm. Because that is what is required today. I would really like to congratulate Neelam ma'am for doing all the right things in the school. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shobha ma'am, for your words of wisdom and your thoughts over education. You enlightened all of us. Thank you, Neelam ma'am. Your report, as always, moved and inspired us all. And dear parents, it's time for an energy check. कोशिश करने वालों की Superb. On this note, अभी आ रहे हैं नन्ही कोशिश की दास्तां सुनाने, नन्ही कोशिश की कोशिश करने. A few kids from Ginny Juniors to help explain this beautiful theme of Nanhi Koshish. Encourage them, dear parents, as they come up to the stage to explain our Nanhi Koshish. Shabana teacher, ready?
नहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चढ़ती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास है, रगों में साहस भरता है. चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की डुबकिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट आता है. मिलते नहीं सहज मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कोशिश करने वालों की कोशिश करने वालों की
That was beautiful, Junior KG parents. कोशिश देखो इनकी, इन नन्हे मुन्हे बच्चों की. Hats off, Ginny Juniors. That was wonderful. This poem reminds me of the third paragraph. असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार कर लो तुम. क्या कमी रह गई है, देखो और सुधार कर लो तुम. जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन की त्यागो तुम. संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़ ना भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की. Superb. Children, that told you Nanhi Koshish ki danstaan were Anshika, Prisha, Samyak, Arya, Avika Kashif, Esha, Harnoor, Nirvi, Avir, Avni, Shriya and Ishani. Without any further ado, let's begin our theme dances. Beginning with the most fun themed named Nanhi Koshish Bachpan Jeene Ki. Under the theme of Bachpan Jeene Ki, we have Ginny toddlers A, B, C and D dancing while living their glorious childhood. Let's all remember to keep clapping for them and encourage them throughout. Beginning with Ginny toddlers A. I request all Ginny toddlers A papas to now make their way towards the staircases for your segment of this dance. Ginny toddlers A class, taken care of by Reena teacher and Pamela teacher along with Meena Didi, are here to showcase their talents. While Reena teacher prepares her babies on stage, let me convey a message she has for Ginny toddlers A parents. She says, our theme for this morning, Nanhi Koshish, has all our Nanhe Munne babies doing their best Koshish for giving a fabulous performance for all of you. They are going to mesmerize you with their cuteness and leave you all with a smile on your face. So please welcome them, our little minions, with the loudest cheers. Ready?
लग गई लॉटरी, लग गई लॉटरी, खुले सारे बंद ताले, लग गई लॉटरी, थैंक यू ऊपर वाले, लग गई लॉटरी, जो भी चाहा था वो पाया, लग गई लॉटरी, दिन खुशियों का आया, लग गई लॉटरी, करना है अब तो हंगामा, कैसे नहीं अब हो हंगामा, होता है तो होने दो हंगामा, चलो जोर से बोलो, लग गई लॉटरी, throw your hands up in the air now, लग गई लॉटरी, like you just don't care now, लग गई लॉटरी, everybody sing along now, लग गई लॉटरी, sing it L-O-T-T-E-R-Y, लग गई लॉटरी.
वाह वाह वूम, वाह 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 वूम, वो जो मिले तो मैं होता हूँ गुम, वाह वाह वूम, वाह 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 वूम, जो कहूँ मैं क्या समझोगे तुम, वाह वाह वूम, वाह 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 वूम, उसके जैसी कोई दूसरी कहाँ, वाह वाह वूम, वाह 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 वूम, ये भी सुन लो कि वो भी है यहाँ, उसे फ्रेंड कहूँ या गर्लफ्रेंड कहूँ, अब जो भी है कहने का ट्रेंड कहूँ, जो भी दिल में है कहूँ या चुप रहूँ, मैंने आज तक न जाना हूँ. You are just so va-va-boom, you're just simply va-va-boom, you are just so va-va-boom.
That was just wonderful. Babies have done such an amazing job, and Papas did an even better one. Minions were looking awesome on the stage as well. Ginny Toddlers, well done, my darlings.